Hello everyone. Let's study some interesting adjectives today, which are used to describe places. And our first word or adjective to describe a place is enchanting. Enchanting is a positive word that is used to describe a place which is delightfully charming and attractive. Example, as the sun set over the horizon, the enchanting colors painted the sky in a breathtaking display. Vibrant. It is another positive word which is used to describe a place which is bright and full of life. Example, the vibrant colors of the flowers in the garden created a stunning display of beauty. Picturesque. It means visually attractive. Example, the snow-covered mountains created a picturesque winter landscape, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Quaint. It is a positive word. It is used to describe a place which is very attractive. Attractive because of being unusual and especially old-fashioned. For example, the quaint streets and historic buildings made the old town a picturesque destination for tourists. Bustling. Places which are busy and full of activity. They are called bustling places. It is a positive word. Example, the flower market was bustling with shoppers today. Bleak. Bleak is a negative word. It is used to describe a place which is empty and not welcoming, or simply just unattractive. For example, it is probably the most bare and bleak island I have ever been to. Congested. It is a negative word. It means places which are too crowded and cause lack of movement. We can use that in example like during peak tourist season, the hill stations becomes congested with visitors from all over the world. Barren. Barren is used to describe places which are unable to produce plants or fruits. For example, the once lush and vibrant field has turned barren after months of drought. Filthy. It is a negative word which is used to describe places which is extremely dirty. For example, the neglected swimming pool had turned into a filthy green pond filled with algae and debris. Creepy. This is our last word. It is a negative word which is used to describe a place which is strange and where one feels frightened. For example, the abandoned amusement park had a creepy vibe with broken rides and peeling paint. See you with some more adjectives in my next video. Thank you.